There's a place on the map that I'm looking at with anticipation. It's a wide open space, not a single trace of civilization. Some might wonder why I want to go there. They say it's right in the middle of nowhere. But I'll take the dip of a paddle in a deep blue Northwoods lake, or look up at a million stars shining down from the Milky Way. Yeah, that's my definition of luxury. You see, 'cause the middle of nowhere is the middle of somewhere to me. No traffic jams or cell phone scams anywhere out there. Just a crackling fire with the smoke that's rising in the cool night air. Yeah, I just let go of all of my cares whenever I'm stuck in the middle of nowhere. 'Cause I'll take the splash of the water from a crystal clear mountain stream, and look up to feel the thunder just under an eagle's wings. Yeah, that's my definition of luxury. You see, 'cause the middle of nowhere is the middle of somewhere to me. Yeah, that's my definition of luxury. You see, 'cause the middle of nowhere, in spite of all those pears, yeah, the middle of nowhere is the middle of somewhere to me.